Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you if your app DJI Go is not working, how you can fix it, right? So first of all, let me tell you that you have to update this app, right? You have to use the latest version to use this app properly. So if you're using iOS, then you should download this app from App Store, and if you're using Android, then you can use Play Store, right? And make sure that you use the latest version, and this may fix a problem. But if it doesn't, okay, but if it doesn't, you can do one thing. Just click and hold and go to app info, and after that go to storage menu, and here you have to clear all the cache, okay? And after clearing all the cache, this may fix a problem, but if it doesn't, then you have to clear all the data. So this will do one thing. It will make your app totally new, and after that you have to re-log in into this app, and this may fix your totally each and every issue, right? So this is it guys. I hope you found this video really helpful, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe our channel, like this video. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.